Hello friends, I am Ahmed Mughal and you are watching Any Information channel. Today I will show you full review of Moneta Market, a broker that was founded in 2020, which is authorized and regulated by Simon Iceland Monitoring Authority. You can see here on broker's homepage they provided some information regarding their exclusive Moneta Market web trading platform and mobile trading app, which also including the news article here. We can see that open the trading account. It can be done in 3 simple steps. It's a platform which has access to the technical indicator chart type as well as an inbuilt client portal for account opening, deposit and withdraw, and different features available in trading platform. Broker also provide client with access to a wide variety of trading tools like Forex sentiment, Web TV, Moneta TV, calculators, deposit bonus, daily market updating etc. You can also see different trading tools like Market Buzz, which Moneta Markets user can access customer service of 24/7. We need to open our demo trading account. So here we have Moneta Trade platform. As we can see here on the left hand side, access to the wide variety different marks. User can also add to access cryptocurrency and different shares CFDs. Let's see up to different shares available to trade on and indies and world and all the global indies of China and many others. So users can also go to create their own favorite list. So by clicking one of these currencies, for example, if we click on this one, here it open up our trading ticket and we can actually see there the sell price and the buy price. We can also the feature chart here in the middle and we can also optimize this chart. You can see here the bar chart line, mounting dot, and user can change different time frame in a minute chart using trade 50 minutes chart, hourly chart as well. So on the left hand side, user can get access to different tools such as red tools, horizontal tool and all the other drawing tool and other tools and levels. You can also take screenshot and here you can also go full screen mode from here. There is also a wide variety of different indicators that are available to plot on the chart. There are some other options on the right hand side. You can get access to trading ticket and we have got one lot value here. It tells us to pick value and the model. You can also select stop losses and take profit as well. Or you can open a trade and when the rate reach at a certain level as a pending trade in this instance. If we just click trade here, the order is now processing. You can also the entry level is here on the chart. User can also choose to put a stop loss in and take profit. Or simple choose to close the trade here and partial closing here. Here you can see the transaction history, personal date, verification center, service desk, withdraw, deposit, manage your account from here, trading tools, refer a friend or can sign out from here. So here we have Moneta Market Android app here. So this page have access to all the different instruments right now on the foreign exchange page and you can see a wide access to our different currencies. Here you can see the chart and have access to different time frame as well. You can also see buy and sell quota for all the different installment. User can simply click on buy button. So this application has also same features like PC and you can operate it easily. If you guys enjoy the video, hit the like button. Comment on the below if you have any question and I will see you in the next one.